Hey! CapyGaming here. On this channel I have already showed you how to gain thousands of followers every day. I also made a tutorial on how to go live in Zepeto. Those videos are kind of outdated and need a new version but mostly still work, make sure to check them out too. In this video I will show you how to get Zems very cheap and also free Zems. If you can't afford to buy Zems using real-life money, please continue watching the video because I will share how to get free Zems too. Okay, let's get into the video. If you've ever bought Zems using the Zem shop inside Zepeto, I'm sorry to tell you, but you've wasted a bunch of money for no reason. People say using codashop is a better option, and I can agree, but it's still very expensive in most countries. Let me introduce you to probably the best option called Kaleoz. Let's compare prices. I will choose a random Zem amount, 128. If you're from the United States, 128 Zems would cost you around $8 in Zepeto shop. It would also cost you around $8 on codashop. And if you buy it on Kaleoz, it would cost you around $4. That just means for $8 you can get 256 Zems instead of 128 for the same $8. You get literally double Zems for the same amount of money. Okay, now let me buy some Zems and show you it's real. Obviously I can't show you the payment process because it would show my private details. Okay, I've just done the payment. It took around 5 minutes to get the Zems after purchase. I've also promised you I will tell you how to get free Zems in this video. Let's get to that part. I don't really need these Zems, so I will just give them away to the people who comment their usernames in this video's comments. Also make sure to have Zem items on your wishlist that you like. Here's where you can find your username. First click on your profile and your username is here where I've circled it. Write this username in a comment so I can gift you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if I helped you out. See you next time.